4th Philippine Roads, Bridges and Tunnels Summit is a two-day event where we witness firsthand directly from the experts the most updated, current and upcoming projects in the industry, addressing the common obstacles, overcoming challenges, identifying sustainable solutions in the construction process, and so much more. We would like to invite each and every one of you to join us on our upcoming events.
Ang tingin ko, sa araw pagkakataong ito, mula pa kahapon, napakalaking tulong para sa akin, para sa aming kumpanya, at para sa aming solusyon na ako'y narito ngayon. Sa pang-apat na pagkakataon na nagkaroon ng Roads, Bridges and Tunnels Summit. Sapagkat dito ay nagkaroon kami ng pagkakataon upang makagawa ko ng ecosystem na kung saan nakilala ko iba't ibang mga kumpanya na narito ngayon. So, umaasa ako sa marami pang mga pagkakataon ay magkakaroon ng pang-5, pang-6 at iba pang pagkakataon na kung saan magkakaroon muli ng Roads, Bridges and Tunnels Summit.
This is the second time that we've joined the Roads, Bridges, Tunnels Summit, and we are very happy to be part of it. And hopefully we could join again next year and for the other events that MyCar will organize. We are glad to hear the government's plans, the upcoming infrastructure and road projects. And we at Holcim, having our innovative and sustainable solutions, hopefully we could be part of the development of our country, and help build progress for the people and for the planet. Thank you very much.
Masasabi ko malaking tulong tong event na to para sa amin dahil marami kaming nakukuhang possible networks na magiging clients in the future. Plus, ito rin yung chance na mas ma-flex ni Eagle Cement kung ano ba yung ino-offer namin na high quality cement sa buong market. And I suggest dun sa mga brands or companies na in line with roads, bridge, tunnels na to join this kind of activity kasi marami kayong makukuhang possible clients in the future at the same time networks na magagamit ninyo. Hindi man agad-agad pero for sure magiging client nyo sila in the future. We would like to thank again MyCar Event for allowing us to be part of this event and tangkilikin natin ang sariling atin.
Thank you for inviting our department on behalf of our secretary, Manny Bunuan, and our Senior Undersecretary, Emil Quesadain. We'd like to thank MyCar for inviting us as a resource person, updating our infrastructure flagship projects. And we do hope that with our collaboration and our cooperation, we can spearhead what is the government is doing about this Build Better More program of our President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. We are very hopeful that with these game-changing projects, we will contribute to the development and to achieve the development of our country. This will be very beneficial to our Filipino people for improving their life and improving their living conditions. Maraming salamat and mabuhay!